Everyone, this is me, Boom, and I'm here starting a new series where I am going to, God, it's just basically a world, and I generated this world, and it got me to not Hypixel, to a swamp. So I gathered some wood. Let me kill this sheep. I'm sorry.
Oh, so laggy.
Hold up, guys. I have to be right back. Sorry, my parents were calling me. Whoops. So let's kill some sheeps for some nice wool. Look, we can get one more sheep.
Hey guys.
I'll be right back, guys. Sorry, again. I had to convince someone to be quiet. We'll get to that person. Yeah. Where did he go? There he is. This is my brother, Dane. Let's craft. He can hear me right now. I don't know if he can. Let's craft. Actually, hold up, guys. Oh, wait. I promise I'm not going to do anything. Sorry, so now my brother can talk.
Hey guys.
Hey, sorry, people. This person is just so ignorant sometimes.
Come here, sheepy.
Get your own wool. I got wool to make bed.
What the?
Don't kill that sheep. Oh, yeah, kill it. You can kill it. I thought that was, what is it called? A
Mushroom?
No, I thought I had a baby. Yay! It's your pet kitty craft. I got an apple. Can you craft?
No.
Okay, then give me some of the stuff then. Give me all your...
Let me just find one more sheep.
Here.
Thank you. I really needed a sword. Is it even night?
Nope.
Oh, it looks like it's about to be night for me.
What is it? Oops.
Can you give me a pickaxe?
For what?
I want to mine this.
Sorry, you can't mine what? You can't mine that.
I can mine it.
You need shears. Silk touch shears.
What the?
That pig is mine. You cannot...
I'm dying.
I didn't even get a pork chop. Did you?
Oh, wow, no. I'm starving to death.
I got one apple and one chicken. You have to get your own food.
Pig is mine. Hey, where did that pig go?
I found... Oh, this baby sheep is lonely. It doesn't have a mommy. Whenever I see, what is it called? An animal that doesn't have a mommy, I get a spawn egg and get a mommy. No.
I'm gonna kill the mom.
If you kill the mom, would you like your mom to die?
No.
Then?
Ah.
I found more chickens.
Yeah, whatever.
To eat. You're not gonna have any. Did you find any food?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah, but
Uh,
I want to kill that zombie.
is it night already?
Yes.
You liar.
It's night for me.
Ah, chicken.
Wait, guys. I'm just gonna log down and get the cute crap.
Hey, sorry. Let's go get a pickaxe to mine. Let's get the shovel and dig underground.
Ouch! Sorry, guys.
That's it. I'll be right back.
Sorry, guys.
I'm recording. As we dig underground, while we're waiting for our brother, we can meanwhile mine some stone up so we can make stone tools. Or else, then we're gonna be dead. No, I'm joking. Oh, we also need cobblestone for a furnace. Remember? Yeah, that's 8. Let's mine all this up. So let me have this on my hotbar. Wait, my mom is calling me. I have to be right back. I'm sleeping, I'm recording. Oh, if you use the block launcher and you're trying to get in someone's world, it won't work. You have to use the normal one.
Okay.
You drowned?
Yeah.
How?
Because
Wait, this is... Oh. Where are you? A slime!
that's my slime.
No, it isn't.
Really?
Look, we can get each other bow. Help me, Junior.
Slime ball. Come in. Come in.
Never mind, I don't need you. Your skin isn't normal.
No.
Give me the slime. I think we can use it for something.
Slime balls?
Yeah.
No.
Can you get... Okay, then I guess I won't craft for you anymore. No, I don't think you can.
No. You can't?
Oh, yes, you can.
You
For a magma cream.
Oh.
I'm eating my apple. Can you mine?
No.
No,
I have a
like...
pickaxe, dum-dum.
Oh, hold up. Let me get stone. We'll get a pickaxe then.
How? I can't.
Do you have a lot of hearts?
No.
You don't?
No.
I
I have half heart.
do.
Yeah.
I just saw on your screen. No, you don't. I have 2.5, if that's how you say it. I don't know. I'll melt my sword.
Oh, what's my slime ball?
Get weird sometimes.
Who wants my slime ball to sleep?
Huh? Hi. You need something?
Mhm.
Like what?
A pickaxe.
Oh, a pickaxe?
Yeah.
I got some.
And a sword.
I already got you. I already got you a sword.
Sorry.
Don't go my furnace. That's my furnace.
I just want to see.
No, my...
Oh, don't worry, I didn't take it.
Here. A furnace.
I said a pickaxe!
Oh, there's a pickaxe.
Thanks.
Let's munch this up. Did you just see that, everyone?
Wait.
Everybody, did you just see that? But let's not run because then we'll lose our sprint. Did you guys see that?
What did you saw, guy? Tell me.
Junior, they can't tell you. Do you hear it? Do you hear it?
I'm coming to people. Oh yeah, can you Nothing.
I found cows.
I thought sugar cane.
Really, what do I need sugar cane? 2 more bear. That means I get food, you don't.
Holy guacamole. Ah! Fight! Come here, slime. I can beat you up.
Just stop saying that.
Baby ones can't kill me. I'm sorry.
I found a zombie.
Baby
Oh,
ones.
this baby cow.
Yeah. Ha. Trying to beat me up. Uh-oh. He goed up. Yeah. How many slime
This
balls
one.
do you have?
11.
Dang, I'm beating you.
How much do you have?
You just need one more to catch up to me.
You have 12.
Mhm.
Besides, some of those are mine.
Nice. I found a slime.
Yeah, but then you took some of mine. No, I'm joking. Guess how much I really have.
Huh?
Guess.
A stack.
No.
You took some from the black launcher.
No, stop hitting me. I'll hit you with my stone.
Make me a sword.
You
Here.
have to wait. I'm getting stuff.
Here.
I'm getting something. You have to wait. I'm not giving you a sword. Come back here. I almost hit that cow. I'm coming to hit you. No, probably let's stop fighting. Do you want a villager, spawn villager thing?
Yeah, but I'm gonna kill this cow.
If you kill it, then I'm giving it to you. Look behind you. The spawn egg. Do you want it?
No, give me a whole bunch.
I can't. It won't let me. It will only let me get one. Here, here. I'll try. Hold up.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
It won't let.
Whoa.
Wait, how are you getting that much? No, don't spawn.
Whoa.
Don't do that. Give me that spawn egg back. I'm killing all these villagers. Until you give me back the spawn egg.
Whoa. I'm not trying to make them back alive. Whoa.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to do this.
No!
Going so loud. Here, I promise I'll give you back your slime balls. I promise that. Okay. Uh-oh.
Wait.
I did not pick spawn egg. There. Look here.
Yeah!
No, for you. Here's your stuff. I'll kill you. Here, I promise I'll give it back. I promise. But stop, for real. If you attack me one more time, that's it. I'm not giving. Stop.
Stop.
Wait, guys, my mom is calling me again. We were so much fun, right?
No.
What are you talking about?
Kill me!
For real?
No.
Okay.
No, that phone won't.
Just turn it back on.
It won't.
I'll protect you.
It won't turn on. No.
Then take off the battery thingy. Here, I got this. It was so funny what I did. I just took his phone, right?
Mm.
And
Gimme!
give you what?
Gimme! Touch. I want.
You won't leave. You're still here.
Kill me.
It might work.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to kill you. Do I have to? Oh, you were moving.
Kill me now.
We will be right back until we can fix his body. Okay, we are back. We got him back in, and his skin is not right again. Okay, so.
Sorry.
Okay, so.
I'm gonna. Oh yeah, God. Sorry.
Okay, so let me try to kill these
I have
slimes.
half a heart still.
Oh, you can only take those 2 sticks. That's it. No more.
Now I'm healing.
Let's kill these slimes.
Give me my slime balls.
Oh, there's some slimes here. Just come and kill these slimes.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Let's kill all of these.
Thanks for the slime ball.
You're welcome. Oh, there's one more little one here.
Another slime. Wait. A spawn.
What?
Yeah.
What happened?
Little one is spawn. Yeah.
I'm going.
Yeah.
Can you go for some sheeps so we can both go to sleep?
But first, let me kill these. This is my slime.
Oh, sorry. Well, come next to me. I look dirty. So until next time, guys.
Sorry.
Okay, a little joke in the end. Okay, so until next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.